In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer file from one Dropbox to Dropbox using a shared folder, recommended for permanent moves. This is a clean, reliable method that keeps your files organized and ensures they end up safely in your second account without downloading and re-uploading anything. First, sign in to the Dropbox account that currently holds the files you want to move. I'll call this account A. It's easiest to do this at Dropbox.com in a browser because the sharing controls are right at your fingertips. Before you start, make sure you know which folders or files you're moving and that the destination account has enough storage space to receive them. Next, create a new folder in account A. Give it a clear name, like transfer folder, so you can spot it easily. Open that folder, click the share button, and invite the email address associated with your second Dropbox account, which I'll call account B. Set the permission to editor so the second account can move the files later. If you're sharing a lot of content, consider moving or copying the items into this transfer folder now, so everything arrives in one place. Now sign out of account A and sign in to account B. In account B, head to the Shared tab on the left. You should see the transfer folder invitation waiting there. Click Join Folder. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to sync and refresh the page. You can also check your email inbox for the sharing invitation, but joining from the Shared tab is usually faster and keeps everything in one place. Once the folder is joined in account B, open it and confirm you can see the files from account A. To complete the move and make these files truly yours in account B, move them out of the shared folder into a regular, non-shared folder within account B's Dropbox. You can drag and drop them or use cut and paste. This step is important because files that stay inside the shared folder will continue to sync with account A. Moving them into a standard folder breaks that link and places the files fully under account B. After the move finishes, browse to the new location in account B and verify that everything looks correct. Large folders may take a moment to process, so wait for any syncing indicators to disappear. That's it, your files have been transferred from one Dropbox account to another using a shared folder, keeping the process smooth, secure, and efficient.